This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch nose. Let's begin by establishing the fundamental structure. First, draw a simple sphere to represent the main bulk of the nose. Next, add a central vertical line to ensure symmetry and guide the overall direction. Then, use basic geometric shapes like a wedge or a block to define the bridge and the tip. Always keep the nose's proportion to the rest of the face in mind, aiming for a balanced composition. Now, let's refine the contours of our sketch nose. Begin to carve out the distinct planes, paying attention to the sides, the bottom, and the bridge. Gently indicate the nostrils and the alar cartilages with soft, subtle curves, avoiding harsh outlines. Use very light lines to suggest the philtrum, the groove above the upper lip, and the nasal labial folds. Always observe how light interacts with these surfaces to understand their three-dimensional form. To bring your sketch nose to life, it's time for details and shading. Introduce subtle shadows to define the form and create a sense of depth, especially under the tip and around the nostrils. Use highlights on the bridge and the very tip to give the nose a three-dimensional volume. Vary your line weight. Use heavier lines for areas in shadow and lighter lines for illuminated edges. Remember, avoid harsh outlines for a more natural and realistic appearance. Finally, let's discuss some common mistakes and professional tips. A frequent error is making nostrils too large or perfectly circular. They are often more teardrop-shaped. Also, avoid drawing the nose as a flat, two-dimensional object. Always think in 3 dimensions. Practice observing real noses from many different angles to understand their complex forms. Remember, every individual nose possesses a unique structure, so embrace variety in your sketches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.